all have come across a time whenever external drives such as pen drives, hard disks get infected with virus and all our data gets hidden somewhere but we cannot access them. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another brand new video, and in this video I will demonstrate you that how you can remove virus from a virus infected pen drive or hard drive and how to restore your data from the same infected external drive. Like the video if you really needed this video, and let's begin the process. So firstly, let me show that my pen drive consists of data of 14.6 GB approx, but when I open it, only 2 files are present which sum up nearly less than 10 MB. Now from here the process starts. Go to the start option and then search for command prompt or cmd and open it. After opening it, write the letter of the drive with a colon, like in my case I am writing I semicolon. Press enter. After that, write attrib space dash r space dash a space dash s space dash h space asterisk full stop asterisk. After that, press enter and see the magic. Wait for 30 to 35 seconds and then access your pen drive again. You'll have your all data back. Copy the data somewhere, scan it properly, format your pen drive, paste back your data into the pen drive, relax, enjoy and thank me. Like, share and subscribe if you had or have a smile on your face after seeing your data back, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.